What if I told you there's one natural morning habit that could help restore your youthful circulation, bring back your stamina, and even make those chilly hands and feet feel warm again, all without pills, stimulants, or surgery? Most men and women over 70 think poor circulation is just part of aging. But the truth is, it's not age that's the issue. It's a silent, fixable imbalance inside your body that's stealing your energy, your warmth, and your confidence. Stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to show you the uses, making process, and key benefits of this powerful natural remedy, step by step. I'm Dr. Evelyn Ross, a certified urologist with 20 years of experience. And if you're serious about improving your health naturally, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who needs it, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Over the past 10 years, I've worked with thousands of seniors who believed they had to live with cold hands, poor stamina, or restless legs forever. Many had tried every pill, every supplement only to end up frustrated. But when I started focusing on natural circulation boosters, simple, food-based remedies that actually wake up the blood vessels, the results were remarkable. Patients in their 70s began walking farther, sleeping deeper, and feeling a steady warmth in their hands and feet again. And all of that happened without any complicated routines or expensive treatments. So today, I want to show you how you can do the same right from your kitchen. Let's start with a simple truth. After age 60, your blood vessels begin to lose flexibility. Think of your arteries like soft rubber tubes. When you're young, they expand and contract easily, allowing smooth blood flow. But as you age, those tubes start to stiffen like an old garden hose left out in the sun. When that happens, your blood struggles to reach the smallest capillaries, especially in your hands, feet, heart, and brain. The result? Cold extremities, fatigue even after rest, lightheadedness, slower healing, and for men, weaker stamina and performance. Your heart works harder just to push blood through those narrow passages like trying to pump syrup through a straw. This doesn't just affect how you feel physically, it affects your confidence, your motivation, even your mood. But here's the good news. Nature has built-in tools that can retrain your blood vessels to open up again, improving warmth, oxygen flow, and overall vitality. Let's go through them one by one. First ingredient, cayenne pepper, the natural vessel opener. Cayenne contains a powerful compound called capsaicin, which directly stimulates blood flow. It's like giving your circulatory system a gentle wake-up call. Studies show that capsaicin helps relax and expand blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your cells. For people over 70, this means warmer hands and feet, better stamina, and even sharper focus because your brain thrives on good circulation. How to use it? Add just a pinch, half and half teaspoon, of cayenne to your morning lemon water or soup. You can also sprinkle it lightly on meals, start small, and let your body adapt. One of my patients, Walter, age 74, began adding a tiny dash of cayenne to his tea. Within 2 weeks, he noticed that his legs didn't ache as much after his evening walk. Second ingredient, lemon and warm water, your morning flush. This might sound too simple, but the science is clear. Hydration and vitamin C are critical for circulation. When you drink warm lemon water in the morning, you're hydrating your blood, supporting vessel flexibility, and giving your liver a gentle detox. Lemon's natural antioxidants also reduce inflammation that stiffens arteries over time. How to use it? Squeeze half a lemon into a cup of warm water. Drink it first thing in the morning before breakfast. It's a small ritual that wakes up your system and sets the tone for better blood flow throughout the day. Third ingredient, honey and cinnamon, the circulation duo. Honey provides quick, clean energy to your cells, while cinnamon helps improve insulin sensitivity and blood vessel elasticity. In simpler terms, this combo helps your body absorb nutrients better and maintain steady blood flow, especially important for older adults who often experience sugar spikes or fatigue after meals. How to use it? Mix 1 teaspoon of raw honey with half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add it to warm water or green tea, never boiling, to preserve the nutrients. Patients love this because it tastes great and works gently. One of my clients, a 72-year-old retired teacher, called it her morning spark. Fourth ingredient, garlic, the natural blood flow enhancer. Garlic has been used for centuries to support heart and blood health. It contains allicin, a compound that widens blood vessels and lowers arterial stiffness. This makes it easier for your heart to push blood through your system, meaning more oxygen to your muscles, brain, and organs. How to use it? Crush 1 small clove, let it rest for 10 minutes to activate a lichen, then swallow it with water, or add it freshly chopped into your meals. Garlic isn't just food, it's nature's circulatory supplement. Fifth ingredient, beetroot, the nitric oxide booster. If there's one vegetable that can rival modern supplements, it's beetroot. Beets are rich in natural nitrates that convert to nitric oxide, a molecule that signals your arteries to relax and widen. This is exactly what many expensive circulation booster pills claim to do. For seniors, this means better endurance during daily activities, reduced blood pressure, improved oxygen to the heart and brain. How to use it? Drink half a glass of fresh beetroot juice every morning, or mix grated beets into your salad or smoothie. Within 10-14 days, many people feel a noticeable difference in their energy and warmth levels. Sixth ingredient, green tea, the gentle circulatory cleanser. Green tea is loaded with catechins, antioxidants that improve artery function and prevent oxidative stress, one of the main causes of vascular aging. It's also mildly stimulating, helping your heart maintain steady rhythm and flow without overworking it. How to use it? Drink 1 to 2 cups daily, morning and afternoon. Avoid late-night intake to prevent sleep disturbance. It's one of the simplest habits that protect your heart and vessels daily. Now here's the beautiful part, you don't need to change your entire lifestyle to see results. You can easily add these habits into your existing routine. Start your day with warm lemon water. Add honey plus cinnamon to your mid-morning coffee or tea. Include a pinch of cayenne or fresh garlic in your lunch. Enjoy beet juice or salad in the afternoon. End your day with a calming cup of green tea. You're not adding new chores, you're upgrading what you already do. If you prefer a lazy man's version, blend a small beetroot, a spoon of honey, and a pinch of cayenne into a smoothie. Drink it mid-morning. That's your natural circulation booster in 1 glass. Now, a few important points. These natural ingredients are powerful, but they're not magic overnight fixes. They work gently and gradually, rebuilding your vascular health from the inside out. If you have heart disease, diabetes, or are on blood thinners, consult your doctor before adding garlic or cayenne, as they can slightly thin the blood. And if you experience discomfort or allergic reactions, stop and seek professional advice. Natural healing is about balance, not extremes. Here's your 15-day circulation booster challenge. Simple and realistic days. 1 to 5. Start each morning with warm lemon water. Add 1 teaspoon honey plus half teaspoon cinnamon after breakfast. Days 6 to 10. Add a pinch of cayenne to 1 meal daily. Include fresh garlic at lunch or dinner. Days 11 to 15. Drink half glass beetroot juice in the morning. Enjoy 1 to 2 cups green tea daily. Throughout this challenge, notice changes in warmth in hands and feet, energy levels, sleep quality, mood, and focus. Keep a small notebook tracking. Even small improvements will motivate you to continue. Most people start feeling the difference by the end of the 2nd week. A gentle warmth returning, easier movement, clearer thinking. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these circulation boosters are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments below. Your answer might inspire someone else to begin their journey too. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a loved one who needs better energy and circulation. Remember, these natural habits work best when shared because good health grows in community. Before you go, I want to remind you of something important. Your body is still capable of amazing healing even in your 70s or 80s. You are not too old to feel vibrant again. You just need to give your body what it has been missing: real nourishment and natural flow. Every morning sip, every small habit counts. Because small daily habits create powerful long-term results. Stay consistent, stay hopeful, and keep your heart open literally and emotionally. I'm Dr. Evelyn Ross, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore another simple, science-backed way to strengthen your body naturally. Take care, stay warm, and keep your circulation flowing.